Hi everyone, in this lecture I want to talk to you guys about new command or new keyword, and it is between. For seeing this between, I want to create new column in my current table, I mean in the component table, and let's get started. For creating new column, I will come here and I will click here. And I just want to create salary. I will write here salary. Okay, this salary will be integer as a date type, will be integer, and it's all. Let's just click apply, apply, and finish. I will close this. I should come here and I should write my salaries here. Let's first of all maximize this a little bit, and it's it. So let's write salary. I will say first of all I will write randomly numbers here. Okay guys, you can see this is my random salaries I wrote here. Actually, it could be better if I write here, for example, 200, 2000, 5000, or etc, etc, but I just wrote them randomly. It doesn't matter. Let's just click apply, apply, and finish. You can see I wrote my salaries. So let's come to this here. I will close this and I will create new SQL, and in this SQL I want to get some work done. For example, let's write our example like we did before. I will say get users, I will say salary, for example, less than, let's write 10,000 and greater than, for example, 5,000. Okay, let's assume we have this kind of task, and let's try to handle this. First of all, how we can do this normally, we can write select star from company where salary less than 10,000 and operator salary greater than, or what we said, 5,000. Okay, let's just click run here. You can see I just got all the salaries that bigger than 5,000 but less than 10,000. Okay, this is my salaries. But let me show you how we can write this using between operator. I will just make this comment line hyphen hyphen. I will just click this, I mean space, and let's write this using between. I will write select star from company where this salary, let's write between keyword. Okay, between, let's write, for example, 5,000 and 10,000. Okay, let's just choose this. Let's click and let's see if we can see the same result or not. You can see we got the same result. This is how we can use between keyword for our SQLs. Okay, you can see in this section, in this SQL, I used salary keyword 2 times, and I wrote select star from company where salary less than this 10,000 and bigger than 5,000. But here I just said between 5,000 and 10,000. Okay guys, so this is just basically our between keyword. Let's write one more thing using this between. I will remove this. For example, let's come here to our company. We have here salaries and we have here age. Let's try to get salaries between, for example, 6,000 and 7,000, or 6,000 and 8,000. Okay, and age between 50, for example, 50 and 70. Let's try to write this SQL. I will say select star from user not user, it is company. Okay, select star from user. I again said user, sorry guys, I always work the tables that name it is user, that's why I confuse. I will say select star from company where, okay, let's open and close parentheses. I will write, this time I will write this query between these parentheses. I will say where salary, let's write salary between what we said 5,000 and, for example, 8,000. Okay, this is my first, let's see, this is my first condition, and I will write, and let's open and close parentheses. I will write here age between 60 and or 50 and let's write 75. Okay guys, let me explain this SQL to you because it is much more complex than before. I said here select star from company where salary between this and age between this. This AND operator will make this SQL actually two conditions. One of the condition is this and one of the conditions is this. Okay, one of them is salary between 5,000 and 8,000, and another condition is age between 70 and 75 and 50. Okay, let's choose this and let's run this SQL. Actually, there is no people like this. Let's see why. For example, this is not between this also. Let's make this 50, for example, 30. Okay, let's run this SQL. We saw again nothing. We have a problem here. Okay guys, let's go back to our table and let's try to see if we have, actually we don't have any problem in our SQL, but we don't have any person that, let's say, suits here. Okay, I will make this a little bit lower. For example, let's write just 2000. Let's run the SQL. I didn't see anything again. Let's lower this. I will just write 20. Let's run again. Yeah, in the end we just saw this Tony because age of Tony is 29 and the salary is this. You can see this salary completely suitable here. Or let's write this 30 and let's make this a little bit higher, this salary. I will just run this. I should see results. Okay, actually guys, I don't have any problem in my SQL. I just have a problem with my table because if I write, for example, here 8,000, if I run this, you can see I didn't see any result because there is no person here that age between 30 and 75 and also salary between 2,000 and actually it is 3,000 and 8,000. Okay, that is why I didn't see any result. If you, for example, change this to 9, if you run this, you should see the results. Okay, so guys, this was our between keyword we used here, and this is the most complicated. I can say that this is the most complicated SQL we've ever seen. We've never seen this before. You have to get used. You have to get used writing these SQLs because in the future we will write much more complex SQLs than this. Okay guys, that is why we should write this kind of SQLs. So guys, let's finish this lesson here. Let's see you in the next video.